Do you have stains on your cushions? Prepare. Let me show you how to prepare a powerful cleaner that also disinfects everything that has fabrics around the house. Mix baking soda, water, soap, a dash of alcohol, fabric softener, and vinegar. Shake it well until all the ingredients are well mixed, and use it to remove the stains from the fabrics. It is safe to use on most of the household fabrics such as polyester, nylon, and cotton blends. Use it to wipe down the most used areas of your furniture and to remove stains others from your carpet. Spray it over your cushions and pillows to refresh them. This homemade cleaner is very effective, and after a gentle rub, everything will look stain-free. Thank you for watching.